packet today, I want you to be able to walk out saying, I can use multiple strategies to solve multiplication and division problems. Okay, and I always do I can statements for the students, like what is our objective of the lesson. So mine is for you guys to be able to use the strategies. Simple multiplication strategies, so in your packet, on the first page, these are the basic strategies that they learned in the very beginning of the program, just little names of what they call them, like the 0 facts, the 1 facts, the doubles plus 1, the double-double, and you can kind of see how it works. The double-double is anything times 4, so it's 6 times 2, and then you times it by 2 again. It's just taking those simple facts, instead of them memorizing times 4, most of them know their times 2s at the beginning of 4th grade, and so they call it the double-double. So you double it, and then you double it again. And so it's just little cues that helps EL, lower students, and even the higher students find new ways that they can get to the multiplication facts. So these are all the basic, simple ones that they learned in the very beginning, and I'm not going to go over those so much because they're all laid out for you. I want to go over the more complex ones. And then on the next page is also a list of the division strategies, and I will put these on the board, or on the screen, sorry. So the division strategies, these are ones that they have just recently learned in this unit. So using tally marks, if you're going to divide something, you draw out the circles and you can tally mark through. You can use tally marks and loops, same kind of concept. Multiples, they count by 4s, so skip counting is what we call it. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and then they count how many times. And you can kind of see that there on their picture. There's an area model, so drawing it out, or using tiles. If you think in money, you can say $1, and you know that a dollar is split up into quarters, so they can divide it by 4 and get 25 cents. Break it down. 26 divided by 4 can become 20 divided by 4 to equal 5, and 6 divided by 4 is 1, so you have 6 with 2 left over. So there's all these different ways. Make a friendly number, change 72 to 75, so you have 75 divided by 3 equals 25, and then you have minus 1 to equal 24, because you have to minus 1 from each of the 3 groups. I'm just kind of going over these, like telling you what each one is, but we'll go more into depth on the ones that we have been using a lot in class. But I just wanted to kind of explain what these all are on your page, so you're not looking at them like, what? So these are just some of the division strategies. Some of them they've learned and some of them they will be learning. You can also use base 10 pieces. So instead of our old standard way, this is the way you have to do it, this is the way we do it, with the happy little line, the little house or whatever you call it. They have all these different strategies that they can use, whichever one works best for them. Next on our list is a problem string. So instead of walking through and you taking notes on each and every strategy, I'm going to do it exactly how I do with the kids. So we're going to do a problem string, and you'll see how we kind of build on one strategy and then we try new ones. So I'm going to pretend like you're the students and you're going to do it just like they do.